Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off keyboard sound on iOS 26. So if you want to enable or disable the keyboard sound, let me show you. Head over to your settings and you need to scroll down and click on general. Under general, look for keyboard right here. And now under keyboard, you are going to see keyboard sound. So you can enable it and you can disable it right here. So if it is showing green, that means it is enabled. And if it is showing gray, that means it is turned off. To turn it on, just turn it on. Found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe.